Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in today's particular video I'm going to talk about how to apply the screen guard properly for your Mi Band or the Honor Band 5. So in this particular video I'm going to teach you all how to apply the proper screen guard for the Honor Band 5. So please watch this particular video till the end and let's get started. I purchased this screen protector for my Honor Band 5, which I'd been using for a very long time, since maybe January, and this is one of the best fitness band available in the market. Also guys, if you are new to this particular channel, please hit that subscribe button and press the bell notification to get future updates. Also like and share this particular video with those who want to get a fitness band, or those who are looking to install a screen protector on their phone. This would help my channel a lot. Let me know in the comments below if you are using a fitness band for tracking your activities, and the Honor Band 5 is one of the best fitness band which is available in the market. And with this particular screen protector you are going to get this particular cloth for keep cleaning, and you are going to get two swabs, one for wet and one for dry. And as you can see, I have used this a lot, and let me just peel off the old screen protector, and this is in pristine condition. As you can see over here, I'd been using this to track my fitness activities along with the sleep and SpO2 sensor. So this makes one of the best fitness bands available in the market. Especially it works very nicely with iPhones, and especially with your Apple Health app. So if that's the kind of thing what you are looking for, please get this. So what I've done is I've taken the wet cloth that contains alcohol, and I'm just wiping this particular screen, because there are sometimes lanes on a band 5, and this I'm doing it because I don't want any bubbles to come up later on. And let me just peel off. Actually you get two of this when you purchase it. So I purchased this on Amazon for around 150 rupees, and there are two steps. First thing is you need to remove this particular cover, the peel, and the second is the other one. Once that needs to be removed once you apply the screen guard. And let me just peel off the first one. And usually what happens is with this kind of screen protectors, their glue is sometimes not so strong, and that sometimes create an issue. I hope I'm not going to have such kind of issue with this. So what I've done is I've just kept it on top of it, just to show you all guys. And always measure the sides, because that is where it should fit perfectly. Also measure the angle also, because what happens is sometimes if it is a bit crooked, it might go out of the screen, because these screen guards and all, they come exact as per the size of the fitness trackers, and just slightly misalignment may cause an issue. As you can see, I'm just struggling over here guys with this screen protector. Also the glue is an issue, I guess, with this kind of screen protector. And let me know in the comments below if you come across any tempered glass screen protector. And let me also know in the comments below that whether you are using any fitness tracker for your tracking your fitness activity. Here I'm just getting some bubbles guys, so this is a bit annoying. And after endless trial and error, I'm going to finally put this. And as you can see over here, I align the top first, and later on those bubbles and all can be removed. Okay, but for that particular reason, you all have to align it as per the side. So side is where I'm majorly focusing on, and sticking the top part first. So once the sides are aligned properly and the top part is free, then you can easily get rid of the bubbles. So sometimes bubbles also is not an issue for this, because you are hardly going to check out this particular screen. And finally I have achieved the clear bubble-less, somewhat bubble-less kind of thing. So again you can just remove it and then just fix it over here like this, like how I've done just right now. And once this particular thing is done, the only thing remaining is removing of the top bubble protector and the blue color one. The blue color film is just a protector so that there are no scratches while when you are applying this particular screen guard. If you like this kind of videos, guys, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments below whether I should do such kind of videos for mobile phone screen protector also. Now the biggest challenge is removing this blue film, which is stuck very tightly with the actual screen protector. So be very careful, guys, for removing this, and I'll also be showing you all how it looks after removing the blue screen. And here I've removed it, guys. So this is how it looks. Usually you'll be getting some tiny little bubbles, but don't be worried about it. So this can be easily removed by just pressing it at the side, and once these bubbles are removed, it will be 100% clean. And this is how you apply the screen guard for your Honor Band or a Mi Band 5. And let me know in the comments below which fitness tracker you all are using. And again, guys, do check out some other cool videos on our channel, as there is always something new to learn at Creative Soft. Also, guys, thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and make sure that you are subscribed to this channel, and see you in my next video.